Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be a really cool package that came in from Australia. What's going to be on the inside is going to be some really cool handmade cutaway locks made by Noctis Motus. He knows that I really love doing great how-to videos to help people get started in lock sport, and he wanted to help support me by giving me some really great locks to be able to use to demonstrate. So without further ado, let's get this package opened right now. Alright, so let's see what's on the inside. We're going to cut this package open, and I'm just so excited to see all of the really great locks that Noctis Motus was able to make for me. He does such a really great job, and I am so excited to check them out for the first time. Alright, so here they are. They are very well secured in this bubble wrap. They have traveled such a far way from Australia all the way to the United States. I am so happy that Noctis Motus was able to make these for me. He is very happy to try to help support my channel by making me some locks that he enjoys doing, because he knows how much I enjoy being able to help the community learn, and he was very happy to share a little bit of his skill set to be able to help me out and help the community out. So let's take a quick look. Alright, so this one I'm looking forward so much is the American Lock 1100 series cutaway. And then I have a Yale cutaway right here. So let's take a look at this. And these are locks that Noctis Motus did himself, which is just something that is just such a really cool skill to have. It's certainly something I don't have the skill or the patience to do. So let's take a look at the American lock right now. Alright, so I'll zoom in on it a little bit here. So on this we're going to be able to see the actuator and the ball bearings. We can see the pins themselves, and we can just see the whole lock in action. So when we insert the key, we're going to see the lock reach the shear line, and then we're going to be able to turn the core over, and now we're going to watch the actuator turn. The ball bearings are going to fall into those slots, the shackle will open up, and then the lock will open right up. How cool is that? That is such a really cool thing to have. I just want to say, Noctis Motus, you did a fantastic job. You can see every little piece of this lock, and that is such a fantastic thing to have, and just thank you so much. And now let's check out the Yale lock that he was able to make. I wanted a Yale lock because I already have one that is like a Quickset, one of his Lockwoods. I have a Schleg, and I just feel like Yale is such a difficult keyway for someone starting out. It'd be really great to be able to demonstrate it. So on this one we can see it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin Yale. Is that with the possibility of 7 pins? That's crazy. And then we're going to see how this works. So we're going to put the key inside, and then we're going to see how it reaches the shear line, and the plug turns right over, and that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possible pin Yale. Now that is crazy right there. I just want to say, Noctis Motus, you did a fantastic job on these. These are very beautiful cutaway locks, and I just want to say thank you so much for making them. I just cannot believe how well these were able to come out. This American lock is just so beautiful to watch in action. I'm going to do it one more time. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This is a really quick package opening made by Noctis Motus. If you haven't checked out his channel already, what I'm going to do is put a link to it on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out.